everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to do a vibrant blue sparkly mani with dip powders from Bling Galleria. We're going to start off with Blue Hawaiian, which is a very bright, shimmery blue. It is everything. It's very rich in color. It's vibrant. It's buttery. It's soft. And check out this coverage. It is super, super full coverage. And this blue, it's like kind of giving me like this like peacock blue. I love it so much. It is definitely the bright blue that I was going for. Also, this would be really great for like winter or snow or snowflake mani. This color would be great. We're also going to use another blue called Midnight, and that one is super full coverage as well. You can see here with that second coat, it's even more vibrant in color, and this color right here, it is everything. It's like the perfect pop of color that I needed. I wanted something a little bit bright. I feel like we've been doing fall and a lot of Halloween, and I just wanted some blues in my life. All right, so Midnight speaks for itself. It's a gorgeous, true navy with the most beautiful subtle shimmer to it, and I feel like this color right here is perfect for the holiday season as well. Paired with some golds, I feel like if you pair this color with gold, it's really going to make that blue just pop. And I feel like it's the perfect shade of navy. So if you like blues, especially navies, this one is going to be your jam based on how buttery and soft it is and that full coverage and the perfect shade of Midnight, right? So we're just going to gently tap down these powders and then cure for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go in to a really pretty glitter. And here's the glitter. It's very hypnotizing. It's a fine, almost like a micro glitter in a way, because it has like the most like beautiful shimmer blingness to it. And I feel like what gives it a run for its money is that it has two different colors in there. You have like this beautiful, almost kind of like a blue Hawaiian color, but it pulls in a little bit more teal, mixed in with a darker blue, and I just feel like it gives the nail so much dimension and so much bling to it, and how full coverage this glitter is mind-blowing. I was not expecting it to be this full coverage, and you can see here like it is completely sparkly with that first coat, but we are going to go ahead and do 2 coats. But also I feel like the glitters lay really flat to the nail as well, which in the end is going to cut down on bulk when it comes upon and buffing. But overall, such a beautiful glitter and definitely a must-have in my opinion. Alright, so let's take a moment and watch this hypnotizing glitter in action, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments. Alright, so I did the rest of the 2 dips off camera. We're going to go ahead and dust off after we cured for 30 seconds, and now we're going to add some glitter nail art. With a little bit of gel base, I'm going to go ahead and work that into this fine nail art brush. This is like a finer detailed art brush, and I'm going to go ahead and make some lines. I'm going to start here at the tip of the nail and kind of work it down. I don't want the lines to be too long. I just want it to look like it has like this fade, almost kind of like a waterfall effect. I really like this method using the nail art brush versus like applying that gel base and then tapping on the glitter with a brush. I felt like I had more control and it looked a little bit more artsy for me, and I just liked the detail to it versus the other way. So I went ahead and cured it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove some glitter. That line was a little bit longer than I wanted, but overall super easy to achieve, and I really like how this looks. You can do this with your dip liquids as well. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the other nail, but instead of working at the tip, we're gonna go ahead and start the glitter at the cuticle line area and work its way down. Alright, so let's finish up the rest of this mani, and then I'm gonna pop back in just a few moments. Alright, so we're just finishing up the gel top coat. I'm going to do the rest of the nails off camera, and here's the finished mani. I love this mani so much. These blues are very rich in color and vibrant, and it's the perfect pop of like color that I was looking for, and I really love this glitter. It's sparkly, it's hypnotizing. It's very, very easy to work with, but overall, such a fun mani. Plus, you could use this mani in these colors for summer. They're great for like a poolside mani, or if you wanted to rock like a winter snow mani, this would also be a great combo, but options are endless when it comes to these colors. Now, if these colors were not your cup of tea, head over to Bling Galleria. There's tons of other beautiful colors. There's definitely going to be something that does catch your eye, and everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.